Here's how we tiled our own kitchen splashback. Tile mounting kindly gifted us these simple slim brick tiles, spacers, adhesive and grout. We also bought a foam grout flow and adhesive trowel, plus an electric tile cutter. We started by marking the centre of the wall and working outwards from here. We applied adhesive to the wall, combed it upwards, repeating the same on the back of the tiles, and stuck it to the wall, making sure the tile was dead straight. Then we repeated this process over and over again, adding spaces between each tile to ensure even gaps. When we got to the corners, we did have to trim some tiles down, which we did with our electric tile cutter. This machine saved us so much time. Stuck it down, added the spacers and carried on with the rest of the wall. The top row only needed half height tiles, so again cut these down to size. Then for a clean outer edge we got this white tile trim, stuck it to the wall and tiled inwards from there. I left the tiles to dry for a day, then removed all the spacers and cleaned off any adhesive that had dried on. Then I mixed 3 parts of this cement grey grout with 1 part water, gave it a good stir. You want it smooth but not too runny, think peanut butter consistency. I use this foam grout float to apply the grout. You use it at a 45-degree angle so you can spread the grout evenly into all the gaps and basically just repeat until you've filled them all. It always looks a big mess and a lot darker than your final colour at this point, but you have to trust the process. Wipe it over with a damp sponge so your tiles are clean and the grout in the gaps looks smooth. So this is the space before, and here it is now. Smart, simple and a lot more wipeable than a plain wall.